Myntri ba Thymmai ka Khuborkhasi ba MLA ka Jowai ba Wailad Shylla ulaong ba kadai ka jing ang nur jong baro ki MLA ba enda ki job kinyo aban bat ya ka shuki Myntri ha ka Khuborkhasi. Ya kani uba Wailad ula keren hadin baladap smai kum Myntri ba Thymmai jong ka Khuborkhasi senrop MDA. Kumta uong ba udon ru ka Thong ka ba hakmat na ka banta ki Samla ki badai ka lawai jong ka jat benrio.
As of now, my priorities obviously as a young legislator, obviously my main focus will be youth only. But that also will depend on Chief Minister that what portfolio he will be giving me. Then only I can set my priority according to the department which he will be giving.
Is it true that you're getting sports? That's what the...
No, as of now, because CM sir has said that everything will be come clear after the swearing in only. So as of now, I cannot say anything. That is the prerogative of Honorable Chief Minister. No, I don't think so, because if you see that this is not my first time, this is my second time. And you have seen yourself that even the first timer are getting the chance. So I think I have waited quite a long time. And even I think this is the dream of every legislator that when he contests, he want to be a minister, and especially his electorate. So my people were quite expecting, and Jowai being the district headquarter, and all this past year that you yourself have seen that it was represented by the minister. So it is. I think it is the prayer of my beloved people of Jowai constituency.